Hi everyone, I'm Paul and I tell you everything you need to know about the artisanplus planning and inventory solution for coffee roasters. This is part 4 of the mini-series on the roast planning functionality. Start in the scheduler window of artisanscope. A nice little feature can be found when dragging down the slider and reveal a small window. This shows the next batches that should be prepared. Here, the first of the 3 8kg batches of Santos. As soon as I have weighed and prepared the beans, I can right-click and mark one as prepared. This is visualized with a small circle here. The display jumps to the next batch. I can also directly state that all 3 batches are ready to be roasted, and it tells me to prepare the 15kg cherry batch. To streamline the workflow, you can also simply click on the weight to mark the batch as prepared, now visualized by the filled circle. And we're done. Note that this workflow can be fully automated using the batch manager. You can find the link to the full video and documentation in the notes. It might happen that you need to ignore an item for some time, but don't want to change the plan. You can drag the item to the end, or switch on the visible filter, and then simply drag the item outside of the scheduler window. It will disappear from the view, but it's not deleted. If you want it back, just deactivate the visibility filter. You can then also right-click on the item and make it visible again. Interesting to know for you roasters is that the tooltips on the to-do and completed headings conveniently show the number of batches, total weight, and estimated time of the planned and completed roasts. Back to artisanplus. Assume we have planned our day, synchronized it with artisanscope, and started roasting. As soon as artisanplus gets notified that roasting has started, all planned items from today are shown in gray and cannot be deleted or changed anymore. To be exact, one can make changes, but these cannot be saved. If you really need to change your plan at this point, you can click on the lock icon. You will get a warning telling you that you really should inform the people at the roasting machines because they might already have prepared their day in detail. So after that, you can alter all items. For example, say you only need 2 of those batches. Those changes will be synchronized to artisanscope, and it also will display a warning to watch out for changes. You can at any point also lock the schedule again in order to prevent accidental changes. In the second part of this video, we have a look at the favorites. Those are little parking spaces where you can place schedule items that you need more often. So you can drag any item down here and save it. And you can add an arbitrary number of those next to each other. If you want, you can use up to 3 rows to group your favorites. And then you can place those items anywhere into the calendar. Of course, indicated by the green plus icon, they will be copied and remain in your favorites. The favorites are otherwise treated as normal items, can be deleted or edited and saved. Note that this will not change any items previously created from this favorite item. Well, stay tuned and look forward to the next and last video on this scheduler. where I will talk about the year overview, displaying items for specific users or machines, and a lot of the other great features of Artisan Plus.